Ecology, a branch of science concerned with the relation between living organisms and their environment. For example, studying the food chain in a wetlands area. The word ecology was coined by the German zoologist Ernst Haeckel in 1866. Father of Indian ecology, Ramdev Mishra. According to Ernst Haeckel, the total relation of the animal to both its organic and inorganic environment. According to Eugene Odum, 1963, ecology is the study of structure and function of nature. According to R. Mishra, ecology is the study of interaction of form, function and factor. जो इकोलॉजी है वो प्लांट और एनिमल और एनवायरनमेंट के बीच का इंटरेक्शन है. ब्रांचेस ऑफ इकोलॉजी. The science of ecology is often divided into autecology and synecology. According to Kirchner and Schroeter. Number 1. Autecology. Autecology deals with the study of the individual organism or an individual species. In this, life, histories and behavior as a means of adaptation to the environment are usually emphasized. Synecology. Community ecology or synecology is the study of the interaction between species in communities on many spatial and temporal scales, including the distribution, structure, abundance, demography and interaction between coexisting populations. Synecology divided in 3 parts: population ecology, community ecology and biome-ecology. Population ecology, study of the processes that affected the distribution and abundance of animal and plant populations. Community ecology, an ecological community is a group of actually or potentially interacting species living in the same location. Biome ecology, group of more than one communities of particular region relation to environment. Habitat ecology, study of habitat and their effect of living organisms on earth. Paleoecology, the study of organisms in their environment in geological past. Gene ecology, genetic makeup of a species or population relationship to environment. Human ecology, study of relationship between humans and their environments. Space ecology, supporting life of man during long space flights or during extended exploration of extraterrestrial environment. Geographic ecology, it deals with the distribution of plant geographic distribution. Radiation ecology, study of growth of radiative and radioactive substances over the environment and living productivity. Ecological energetics, ecosystem to energy conservation or flow. Conservation ecology, nature resources management.